Okay, let's start the energy model for 516 Caledonia. So we're going to create new. We're going to go to styles here and go to simple style and get rid of him. We're going to save and we're going to go here and we're going to call it 516 Caledonia energy model. Okay, so as we draw the footprint, let's go ahead and make sure our scenes are in parallel projection, standard view, plan view. And we're going to draw the northwest corner where the axes come together just like we did last time, just so we're consistent. So let's make sure north is up on the page. Yes, it is. And in this case, let's see what we got going on here. So we're going to draw a box that is 44 on the top, the left-right dimension, and it's going to be 32 up and down, so 44 by 32. So let's get started. (44 feet, 32 feet). This one's a little bit different in that it has a porch off to the side here. So I'm going to go ahead and there's a front and a back porch. Let's do the back porch bump out here. So it chews out 13 feet by 8 feet out of that lower right corner. (8 feet). And then we go to that end point and we go up 13 feet. And we go there. Okay, so that's a little back porch. We'll draw the front porch later. So fairly straightforward. Now we've got to do the same thing we did before and extrude it up. So let's go at my instructions here. So we've done that. We're going to extrude up 8 foot 1 1/8. So let's go look at this in ISO view. And we go to the push-pull tool, we hit Control to make a new plane, and we go up 8 feet, 1.125, enter. Now we go down, and we have to do the floor rim system here. Let's see what that is on my cheat notes. I think it's the same as last time. Yeah, it is. 1 foot, 8 1/4 inches. So 1 foot, 8.25. And then the basement wall above grade is going to be 8 inches. So let's go ahead and do that. And then this one's a little different than last time as far as the depth of the basement. So and I gotta be honest with you, these plans are crappy. They don't include the basement floor elevation or a typical wall section. I had to measure it off the PDF, which isn't great, but it's 7 feet down from where the grade is. Okay, we're going to do the same thing we did before on the materials, just so that we can kind of visualize what's going on here. So let's go into our paint bucket. And let's go find the siding materials that we used last time. If I remember right, I used that for my siding. I used the vertical one for the floor. I used the fancy brick for the above grade part. And then I used concrete for the below grade part. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and stop this video and we'll start with the windows next. I'm going to do the windows a different way, I think, this time.